guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marissa. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into this video. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be telling you guys everything detailed step by step for the first 6 months, how to go about starting your relax hair journey. So the first step is, when I first started my hair journey, I was using a lot of products just to figure out what my hair like. I'm just gonna tell you what I use, like what eventually works for me, so you can just hop right in and just do everything that I do to see growth. The products that I use is Cream of Nature, both shampoo and conditioner. I use any hair lotion. Honestly, it don't matter. Once you're moisturizing, sealing daily, that's all that matters. Mostly I use African Pride hair lotion and Do Growth. Pretty much any hair lotion I can grab, that's what I use. And the relaxer that I use is Optimum. I've been using it till now. I'm still using it. I just experiment the other day with Cream of Nature and ORS, but I just love my Optimum. That's the relaxer I use. It works for me. I don't get no breakage or I hardly get shedding on relaxer days, so that's perfect and I love it. Basically nothing wrong with my hair when I use Optimum, so I just stick with it. When I started my hair journey, I didn't use any protein treatment because I wasn't sure about it. I wasn't like 100% how to use it. I didn't know where to start, so I just never follow up on protein treatment until I know what to do with my hair. Then I start doing protein treatment, but I only used to deep condition once a week. Pretty much that's it. The oils that I use is olive oil, wild root oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. I used to use coconut oil, but I hated it so much, so I switched to olive oil. So that's all the products that I use. You guys can take that tip and that's how you can start it. That's a very affordable way because I have some expensive favorites, you know, but I stick to just the Cream of Nature. Next step is, guys, make sure you stick to your routine of moisturizing, sealing every day and deep condition once a week. Tying down your hair with your satin scarf or your pillowcase. Make sure it's satin because you don't want friction or anything to break your hair when the night comes. So remember to stick to your routine and don't be lazy for the first 6 months at least. As time goes on, you kind of get lazy when you're not seeing growth right away. We just want to see growth right away. So make sure to just stick to the routine at least for the first 6 months, and I guarantee your hair will grow past the length that you want it to grow to. We all have steps that we want our hair to reach at. My hair was here, I wanted to reach here, and then I wanted to reach armpit length, and you know, so same thing you. I sure you have your step-by-step goal. The next step is make sure you have a clean and healthy diet, guys. You have to have a healthy diet. You have to drink a lot of water. I know you heard this a million times, but you have to drink a lot of water. You have to have a clean diet, no fast food. At least try and eat fast food only on the weekends, you know. That's my cheat day, on the weekends. But throughout the week, I cook my own food and I drink water only. Just have a clean diet. Figure out what's work best for you and stick to it. The next step is, guys, is no heat. Because when I first started, I didn't use no heat for the first few months. No heat at all. I just wrap my hair or I put my hair in a bun, and some days it come out straight, some days it come out wavy, but at least I didn't use any heat because, you know, I was trying my best to keep my hair in good condition. So I was trying my best for it to grow and don't do too much extra stuff with it. If you guys use heat, make sure you use a heat protectant and only use it once a month or twice a month. You know, don't use heat all the time, please, guys, please. The next step, guys, is make sure you give yourself a good trim when you first start your hair journey, a really good trim. You know how much to cut off. Make sure you just trim it and just get it out of the way and done, so you can start fresh. Don't be scared. I know it's scary. I know people always telling someone to cut their hair, but just a dust. At least dust the ends. Okay, next step guys is hair vitamins. I use a lot of hair vitamin in the past when I first started, but the one that I stuck to is the Nature Bounty Biotin. Yes, you do your research about it. That hair vitamin really works. It grows everything, like everything, just saying, it grows every single thing. So just be careful with that. Just do all your research, but that 100% works. The next thing is guys, a lot of you ask me what protective styles I do, and I don't really do much protective styles. I just do use my own hair. Basically I only do protective style like when I'm gonna get like a relaxer, because I'm trying to like not be in my new growth and like trying to prevent the breakage. So that's the only time I put in braids, is when I'm almost due to get a relaxer, because I just can't handle my new growth. So I don't do protective style like every week or so. But if you guys want to try a protective style, make sure you moisturize it. You have to moisturize your hair, not because it's in a protective style you just leave it there. You have to moisturize and seal it. You have to put all your oils in and everything. So that's what I've been doing. And the next thing guys is, please do not experiment. When I first started, like I said, I didn't do nothing extra with my hair. I just stuck to what I know, and I didn't bleach, I didn't dye, I didn't do nothing because I was scared of hampering my hair. So I want to make sure that, oh, my hair could actually grow. And then after I realized like, oh, I know to take care of my hair and it's actually growing, that's when I started to experiment with like rinse and box dye or trying new relaxer. The next step is guys, I don't advise you to stretch too long, especially when you first start your hair journey. You know when you're supposed to get your relaxer, basically, because your hair can break at the demarcation line. So make sure you are not overstretching your relaxer. For me right now, I am stretching my relaxer only for 3 months, because I noticed my hair would break if I go longer, if I stretch for longer. So I'm literally going to stop stretching my relaxer from now on, only 3 months. The next step guys is make sure to track your progress. That will help you guys to feel more motivated and to keep going and not to lazy wrong and slack wrong. Make sure to track your progress. That's what I was doing. Although like I was like, oh my gosh, it haven't even grown. Like I was getting like so down. And then when I track it, every time I get a relaxer, I take a picture. Till now, every time I get a relaxer, I take a picture, and I actually saw growth and a difference. So make sure you guys track your progress, video or take pictures every time you get a relaxer, and that will help you guys to look back and feel nice, like, oh my gosh, my hair actually grew. That's all I have for you guys. That's everything in fine detail, what I did and what I used to start my hair journey. I hope it helps you guys, and if you do, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and stick around for more video. Bye guys.